Hello everyone, in this lecture, a retained object is defined and explained with its examples. But, if you're new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. It can be defined as: a retained object is a noun or pronoun that is the object of both the active and passive forms of a verb. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a retained object is nothing but it refers to an object which remains an object in active sentence and also remains an object in passive sentence. As you know that a subject becomes an object in passive sentence. But a retained object is different because it remains an object even in passive sentence if we turn the sentence into passive voice. Simply, if a sentence is in active voice and you want to change it into passive voice and the object of the active voice does not change its place and remains in the object place even in passive voice. So, such objects are called retained objects. Just look at these examples. Smith gave him a book. Observe this example. This example has two objects, the pronoun, him, and the noun phrase, a book. And, this sentence is in active voice. But if it is changed into passive voice, then a retained object can be observed. So, it can be changed like this. He was given a book by Smith. You can see the object, a book, is not changed into subject in the passive voice. And, it is the object in the active sentence and still is the object in the passive sentence. In other words, you can say, in the passive sentence, a book is the retained object because it remains the object of the verb, give, even though the sentence structure has been changed. Therefore, this object is called a retained object. The company offered him a job. Look at this sentence. Again, here are two objects. The pronoun, him, and the noun phrase, a job. And this sentence is also in active voice and, if it is changed into passive voice then one object will be retained. Like, he was offered a job by the company. You can see, the noun phrase, a job, is the object of the sentence in active voice and still it is the object of the passive sentence. So, this is called a retained object in English grammar. She has shown them a book. This sentence is also in active voice. And it has also two objects, the pronoun, them, and the noun phrase, a book. So, one object will retain its place in the passive structure of this sentence. Like, they have been shown a book by her. Observe this passive sentence. Here the noun phrase, a book, is still the object of this passive construction. So, obviously this is called a retained object. If you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.